In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shadow effect in text in Canva step by step, and it's a super easy way to make your designs look more polished, more professional, and much easier to read. Whether you're creating a thumbnail, a social media post, a presentation, or any other graphic, adding a shadow to your text can help it stand out instantly. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Canva tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Canva and open the design you want to edit. You can start from a blank canvas or open an existing project that already has text on it. Once your design is open, look for the text you want to apply the shadow effect to and click on it. Make sure the text box is selected so Canva knows exactly which element you want to edit. After selecting the text, look at the top menu bar and click on Effects. This is where Canva keeps a lot of the special text styling options, including shadows, outlines, and other creative looks. Once the effects panel opens, you'll see different text effect options available. From here, select Shadow. As soon as you choose Shadow, Canva will apply a default shadow effect to your text. This gives you a quick preview of how the text will look with depth added behind it. But the best part is that you can customize it to match your design style. To do that, click Shadow again so the adjustment controls appear. Now you can fine-tune the shadow settings. Start with Offset, which changes how far the shadow sits from the text. A smaller offset gives a softer, more subtle look, while a larger offset makes the shadow more obvious. Next is Blur, which controls how sharp or soft the shadow edges appear. If you want a clean and strong shadow, keep the blur lower. If you want something smoother and more natural, increase the blur. You can also adjust transparency, which controls how visible the shadow is. A lower transparency makes the shadow darker and stronger, while a higher transparency makes it lighter and more subtle. This is especially useful if your text is on a colorful or busy background and you want the shadow to support the design without overpowering it. Another important setting is color. Canva lets you change the shadow color so it can match your brand colors or fit the mood of your design. For example, a black or dark gray shadow is great for a classic readable effect, while a colored shadow can give your text a more creative and modern look. Take a moment to experiment with these settings until the text looks exactly the way you want. If your design has multiple text elements, you can repeat the same process for each one. That way, you can create a consistent style across your whole project. And if you ever want to go back and change the shadow later, just click the text again, open Effects, and adjust the shadow settings anytime. Once you're happy with the result, your shadow text is ready to go. This simple effect can make a huge difference in the overall look of your Canva design, especially when you want your title, heading, or call to action to pop off the page. It's one of those small editing tricks that can instantly improve the visual quality of your work. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, design tutorials, and quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.